Hello guys, what's up? I'm Samartha and I'm going to tell you how to use the screen recording feature on your iPad and how to enable the microphone setting. Because as many of you probably would want, you would want your screen recording to come with an inbuilt microphone. So what we're going to first do is open up the control center. Now you can do this by swiping from the top right of your screen down. So now we got this entire menu, and as you can see, there's a few widgets and everything. And then down here you can see at the bottom, yes, I'm screen recording right now. But let's say you don't see that. I'm going to quickly show you that. If you go to settings and you scroll down to control center, you can choose what widgets you want. So you can add all of these down here. So then I added screen recording, so you can access it there. So if you haven't done that, go quickly do that, and then we can start. So back in our control center, instead of just tapping the screen recording button, what we're going to do is hold it. When we're down there, you can see we're able to open up an entirely new menu. And at the bottom, you can see microphone. So if I press this red button, it will turn my microphone off and you will not be able to hear me. When I turn this back on, now you're suddenly able to hear me again. You can make tutorial videos or show your friends how to do something on the iPad if you can't beat them. And then when you are done recording, you can press stop recording. And that is how we do screen recording on an iPad with the microphone. Thank you for listening, and if this was useful, please like and subscribe. We just passed 40 subscribers, and I really want to hit 100 subscribers within a few months. If you can please help me through to my journey, that would mean a lot to me. Thank you, and I hope this video was useful.